With just a bowl of leftover rice and a few sausages, you can create a golden, fragrant fried rice dish that will have the whole family. Today, I'm going to make some delicious sausage fried rice. Cho tôi 2 củ cà rốt tươi, làm ơn. This corn looks so sweet. Thêm ít đậu Hà Lan để món ăn thêm màu sắc. I'll have this type of sausage, please. Trứng tươi sẽ làm cơm thơm ngon hơn. The onions smell so good. Một củ hành tây kích thước phù hợp là đủ. The fresh garlic smells wonderful. I have all the spices now. Good rice will make delicious fried rice. Loại này là món chiên rất thơm. Thêm một chút bơ nữa sẽ thơm hơn nhiều. Thêm đồ trang trí sẽ làm nó trông đẹp mắt hơn. A little spiciness makes it more appealing. Could you please calculate the price for me? I have enough ingredients. Let's go home and cook. The whole family will love this. Let's start making sausage fried rice. Everything's ready? Let's begin. Vegetables must be very clean. Hành tươi sẽ thơm hơn. Drying them makes them look better when pan-fried. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. Onions will add natural sweetness. Smaller pieces will cook faster. Thêm bắp để món ăn thêm màu sắc. I'll add them last. The eggs will make the rice beautifully golden. Beat until light and fluffy. Leftover rice will fry better. The rice grains must be perfectly fluffy. It makes all the difference. Heat the pan first.
Leave inside drying.
A thin layer of oil is enough. Sauté until fragrant. Stir constantly so it doesn't burn. The onions are starting to smell good. The colors are so beautiful. All ingredients are ready. Let's fry the rice. Để nhân bánh qua một bên. Just a thin layer of oil. Fry the eggs quickly. The eggs are perfectly cooked. Now for the most important part. The rice grains must be fluffy. Đừng để cơm cháy.
Để cơm cháy.
Một chút bơ sẽ làm cho nó thơm hơn. The aroma is so tempting. Put all the ingredients together and give it a final mix. Màu sắc thật hấp dẫn. Add some more soy sauce. The golden brown color is beautiful. Just a little is enough. The aroma fills the kitchen. Add some more pepper for extra flavor.
Just a little more.
Perfect. Just enough scallions to keep them green. The dish is perfect. It tastes just right. Ready to serve. The rice is so fluffy and fragrant. Beautiful presentation makes it more appetizing. Adding green makes it stand out. Adding a little extra flair. The dish will be more balanced. The colors are so harmonious. Chỉ một chút thôi là đủ làm cho nó thơm rồi. Perfecting every detail. Eating it with these sauces will make it more flavorful. The meal is complete. Get ready to enjoy. It looks delicious. Let's try it. It tastes great. The sausage is still juicy and fragrant. Save it for later. A clean kitchen makes me happy. It's done. It's time for the whole family to gather. Please come in and eat. Come in and eat.
You play Papa.
It smells so good today. The smell is so enticing.
I want to eat right now.
I want to eat right now too. Everyone gets a share.
Eat slowly, children.
Take your time and enjoy the meal. It's so delicious, Mom.
I love sausages.
Eat more, my dear. Eat slowly, child. Enjoy your meal, everyone. Cheers.
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 Dad, eat a lot.
Thanks, son. So delicious. Eat more vegetables for your health. It's delicious. It tastes just right. The whole family likes it. What a wonderful weekend.
Absolutely.
Couldn't ask for better. To family. Mom, can I have another bowl?
Of course, dear.
I'm so happy when you eat well.
Thank you, Mom.
Our house is always so lively. The best meal is when the whole family is together. Thank you for today's meal. Thank you for today's meal. Eat a lot so you'll grow up quickly. Just like Mom's cooking. Mom's cooking is the best. I want to eat this again tomorrow. Of course, my dear. Chỉ cần các con ăn ngon, mẹ đã thấy hạnh phúc rồi. Wishing the whole family good health.
Thank you to our good health.
I got a perfect score today.
No way. That's amazing.
I know, right? You did a great job. Drink some more water. Enjoy your meal, everyone. Dad, please eat. Thank you, daughter. I'm so hungry. Eat slowly, dear. Today's meal was so much fun. This is the most precious thing. It truly is.
I've finished it all. We both have, Mom.
Oh, my lovely children.
Okay, let's clean up together.
That's a great idea, everyone.
I'll get these plates.
Simple meals always foster love.